Hey Southwest Florida, Braden here, back with your weekly housing market stats. Interest rates have taken a slight dip, moving from 7.48% last week to 7.29% this week. On the listings front, we got a near identical number of new listings this week, 345, compared to the 344 last week. Sold properties also remained fairly stable, incrementally upticking from 264 to 265. Pending sales have declined slightly, from 328 last week to 322 this week, which isn't anything major or anything to worry about. As for the expired listings, we're down to 45 from last week's 56, which could signify that more homes are selling more efficiently. And finally, the median sales price rose to $367,000, a modest increase from last week's $365K, which may signify a stable market in terms of property values. So there you have it, your quick rundown of this week's Southwest Florida real estate market. For more detailed information tailored to your needs, give me a call or text at 239-634-8639 or email me at contact@bradenmiller.com. And make sure to follow the channel for more information just like this.